Hello, we're going to tune into fobs, so just explain one or two things. First off, check the fob is actually working. Turn the gate on, press the fob button. Red LED in there should flash. You should be able to see it flashing just here. Doesn't matter which button I press, nothing's happening to the gate, but the red LED is flashing. If it's not flashing, first off, check the gate battery. Check the terminals on the battery. If they're all okay and the battery's up to power, chances are the battery in the fob might have failed. In any event, normally the red LED will flash. So we're going to turn the gate off. We're going to put it into programming mode. You need to know the on-off switch, the yellow programming switch. Going to hold down the yellow programming switch while you turn the gate on. It's now in programming mode. Red LED is flashing slowly. Press the top button on the red side if that's the side you want to use. Once and twice. Second time within a second or two. And press the yellow button to lock it in. Now check. Okay, it's now working on the red side. You see it went down on the bottom button, but I didn't tune the bottom button in. So only the top button needs to be tuned in. The bottom button tunes in automatically. Okay? So we'll turn it off. Now, the green side works on a separate code. Each fob is different, each have their own code. So a gate that's tuned into the red button will not work on the red button of another fob. That other fob has its individual fob code and it has to be tuned into the gate. Tuning in is a simple process, as I've said. So what we'll do, by way of repeating what we've just done, we'll tune in the green side to this gate. Turn the gate on, check the green side is not working. I press the button, you see the red LED is flashing, but nothing is happening to the gate. I'm going to tune it in. Turn the gate off, hold down the programming button, the yellow button, turn the gate on, press the button at the top on the green side once and a second time. Now press the yellow button to lock that code in and check. It's now tuned into the green side. Remember, only do the top button, bottom button tunes automatically. That really is it. If you find that you've got two gates working close to each other but are tuned into the same fob, so that over time you've got a pair of barriers tuned in incorrectly or not how you wish them to be, then you can wipe the memory and start again. That is the memory within the barrier to particular fobs. So to wipe the memory of the barrier so that it goes back to scratch, you do this. You're going to turn the gate on while holding down the yellow button. You will keep the yellow button depressed and the red light will come on and be constant. So I'm going to hold it down, turn it on, but keep the button depressed. And you'll see the red light is on and constant. And you have to keep this button depressed for 40 seconds, which is quite a stretch, but it then makes it very difficult to do accidentally. So what will happen is it will stay constant for 40 seconds, and sometime around that time it will start to flash slowly. You can release the button then, but don't turn it off. That slow flash is the motor board wiping its memory of fobs. So the other thing, while it's busy doing that, I'll just tell you, is you've got a red and a green side to the fob, and we have red and green ends. So you can swap the ends of the gates to match the colours on the fob itself. So you can have a green gate working with the green side of the fob and a red gate working with the red side. So one man can operate two barriers and quickly know or pass on the information to another man as to which is which and which is operated by which side of the fob. These will be provided with maintenance packs and are available from us, and can be swapped quite easily at your discretion. So where are we now? Yep, the flashing is gone. started, the memory is now wiped.